Hi students, so today I am going to discuss about how to fabricate the plastic making use of injection molding, and this is the equipment required for the injection molding. So this is the equipment required for the injection molding process in order to fabricate the plastic, right? Now let me describe what are the parts of this injection molding process by which we can fabricate the plastic. So this is a plunger, students. So this is a plunger, this is a plunger, and this is a hopper. And in this hopper, what we are going to do is we are going to place the polymeric material. We are going to place the polymeric material inside the hopper. Now this polymeric material is entering into this hot cylinder. It is entering into the hot cylinder. It is entering into the hot cylinder, and this hot cylinder has been connected to the electricity, and the temperature range will be around 40 to 80 degrees centigrade. The temperature will be around 40 to 80 degrees centigrade, right? Now as this particular cylinder is hot under the influence of the electricity, so whatever the polymeric material which has been which is present in the hopper, after entering inside the cylinder will become hot, that is it will convert it to the molten state, it will melt, and those and that particular molten plastic should be entered inside the die, and this particular thing is the die. So this particular thing is the die, and this die కొంచెం పైకి లేవండి సార్, దీని పైకి లేవండి,
అటు కదలకండి కొద్దిగా అంతే.
ఓకే. సో దిస్ డై కంప్రైజ్ ద హోల్, this die comprises the whole, right? Now
సెంటర్ చేసుకోవాలి.
yes, so we have to center it exactly so that whatever the hole which is a part of the cylinder will fit inside the hole of the die, and the die will be in the shape of the article to be molded. And in this video I am going to show you how the lid of the bottles can be prepared. So the die will be in the shape of the lid. So if you want to give the bucket shape for the plastic, then the die should be in the form of the plastic, that is, die should be in the form of the bucket. So whatever the shape we want to give to our plastic, the die should be in that particular shape, right? So now heating is happening. So as we increase the heat, so it will melt fastly, right? So heating is happening. So why it is called as injection molding? The reason is with the help of this plunger, we are going to push, we are going to inject the polymeric plastic material inside the cylinder. So since we are going to inject the plastic material inside the cylinder, this particular process is called as injection molding process. So, and this particular injection molding process is especially used to prepare the thermoplastics. It is applicable only to the thermoplastics only. That is, this particular method is applicable to the fabrication of thermoplastics only. So once it become hot, because I have maintained the temperature at the range of 80 degrees, I have fixed the temperature at 80 degrees. So since I have fixed the temperature at 80 degrees, definitely it will become hot. I know, sir. So now we have to inject. Just a moment.
కొంచెం రావాలి, ఇటు అది సన్నగా కడతా ఉంటుంది అనమాట, అప్పుడు నొక్కేసాను మనం.
So examples of the thermoplastics are polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, the polystyrene, polytetrafluoroethylene. So this particular injection molding process can be used for the fabrication of either polyethylene or polyvinyl chloride or polystyrene or polytetrafluoroethylene, because this particular fabrication is exclusively used for the fabrication of thermoplastics only. Please do remember that this particular method is useful for the thermoplastics only. Now, so see, we have to inject the plastic into the cylinder. So now you can see the plastic is entering inside the die with the help of the hole, right? With the help of the hole. So it has been entered inside the hole.
రిమూవ్ చేసుకొని తీసేయాలి అంతే.
So this plunger should be loosened. So once it is loosened, so what we have to do is we have to remove the die and we have to detach the die in order to isolate our fabricated plastic article.
కట్ చేద్దాం సరే, కారిపోతాను కదా, కట్ చేద్దాం.
So just a moment. So see how the plastic is coming out.
మంచిగా వచ్చింది.
Now yes. So the lid of the bottle has been formed. Lid of the bottle has been
Cap,
formed. Yes, cap of the bottle.
బాటిల్ ఏమో
Lid or cap of the bottle has been formed. So this is how we can see, and so you can observe. So from the whole of the cylinder, so much amount of the thermoplastic is coming out, and even that can be fabricated into the shape. So this is the cap. The cap has been prepared. The cap has been prepared making use of the injection molding, right? So I hope you like this video, students. So thanks for watching. Thank you.